Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pedro. So guys, inside this channel, you know that we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash and step index. So guys, this morning I'm back with another strategy, and guys, I'm going to train you guys on how to use this strategy to trade on boom 1000 and boom 500, which is 1 minute time frames. So this strategy works on 1 minute time frames, and what you just need to do is to set up the same search strategy that I do here on your phone. So guys, let me show you the settings of this phone, of this strategy, so that you can have it also on your phone. We have the relative strength index, which is the period of 14. We have the apply to close. We have our style to be in the color of our background, which is white color here. So I'm using white background, so you can also use the color of your background at this particular area. And we have different level, which we have our 92 as our sell zone, we have 5 as our buy zone, and we have 10 level, we have 80 level. So these levels are very important, you need to note them. Then you press on done. Now let's move to the first moving average. We have the period of 20, we have the shift of 0, we have the methods to be simple, we have apply to close, and we have our style to be in this color. So you can choose any color of your choice. Then you press on done. Then you click again on another moving average. You set it up like this. Period of 21, shift of 0, we have the methods to be simple and apply to close, and I'll have the same color to be appear on this. And also the last moving average, which is the period of 22, we have 0, we have methods to be simple, apply to close, we have the same color. So by doing this, you will have the same chart the way you have it here on your chart. So what you just need to note every time you want to trade this particular strategy, or you need to note your level, which is in the 92 and the 80. So anytime you have your moving average reaching in between the 92 and the 80 level, you must enter the trade. The trade is giving you a set signal for you to trade the trade on the sell signal. But anytime you have a trade below the 10 level and the 5 level, then you are going to be entering for a great spike, like what you are seeing at this particular area. You see what happened here? The trade move between the 10 and the 5 level here, and you can see it begin to give out a spike entry. And currently now you can see what is happening in the market. We have the trade that is moving in between the 80 and the 90 level. And what can you find? You can find that you can easily enter the trade and keep on taking down the trade. So guys, let me show you more example that you need to understand, like what you did here, also what you need there. You see, same thing happen here. You keep on taking the trade every time you like. So let me show you how exactly when to start taking it. So you can start the trade at this particular area, and also you can set up your stop profit at the last spike area, and also you can take profit 1, and you can also take your take profit 2. But if you want to do that, you can set among the relative strength index, you can set up a 50 level there, which will help you to hold your take profits level. You see that? So you can put 50 there, so that anytime you know that this particular trade is reaching your 50 level, you can easily take your take profit 1. And also you can decide to leave it to run until you have your full profits on the trade. You see that? So now we have another confirmed entry at this particular area. You see what happened? Immediately it reached the 10 level, and going between the 5 and the 10 level, you see what happened here? Spike happens. So let me show you some example. Something like this. You see what happened here? Immediately it goes between the 80 to 92 level. We have this down entry. You see, you have this down entry, so you can decide to catch up with a few candlestick at this particular time, and you can keep on doing this to achieve a lot of things in the market. You see what happened here? Great spike. Also it determined the spike around there, and you can see what happened here. The trade keep on giving us a buy signal, and at this particular time it give us a sell entry, which make us to keep on trading the trade on the downtrend. So guys, that's exactly how it happens on boom 1000. And let me show you. You see now, we are still on the trade now. So guys, let me show you how it works on boom 5. I will show you how it works on boom 500. You see exactly what is happening boom boom 500. I told you guys that once your trade is reaching in between the 80 to 92 level, around this particular area, you find your best position to enter. You set up your stop loss, and you also take your profits when it reach your take profits 1. And very soon now we are going to be expecting this particular trade to reach our take profits, and we are going to be taking that. You see what happened here. So, and also I told you guys that once you reach your 10 to 5 level, you can easily take your spike entry for this. You see what happened, and you keep on taking down the trade for very long time. Happen here, you see, once it respects that particular level, all you just need to do is to wait for that particular time to come to an existing. You just need to wait for patient enough for you to find an entry. Don't forget to always set up your stop loss, and always make sure you always set up your take profits. And so guys, let me show you exactly how it looks like on boom 300 for those who love to trade on boom 300. And also I'm using the second zoom level. I'm using the second to third zoom level. So currently now I'm using the third level, and you see what happened here. We have this great spike that's happened at this particular region, and it helps us to reach our in between the 80 and the 92 level. So at this particular time now, we are expecting this particular trade to come down a lot of down. So now for me now, I'm going to be enter this particular trade. I'm going to be enter a sell entry with this particular trade. I'm going to be enter this particular trade, you see. So I'm going to be enter this particular trade. So I've already entered this particular trade, and we are expecting it to go on a downtrend according to this strategy, you see. But when it reach my 50 level, I'm going to be taking down every of my profits. So let's check for more. You see what happened here on boom 300. You see what happened here. You see it catch up a spike at this particular area, and the same thing happened here. You see this particular area, once it's in between the 92 and the 80 level, you can find the best zone for you to enter this particular trade and begin to set down this particular entry. So you can use it to catch up a spike, and you can also use it to set down a market. You see this. So you can find an entry at this particular area, and make sure you set up your stop loss, and make sure you set up your take profit according to this strategy. So guys, you see exactly what I'm saying, guys. You see a lot of things is happening in markets that can help you to catch down the trend every time. You see this, you see this, you see this. So what you just need to do is to just apply the third zoom level. Okay, we have a spike that happened at this particular area. You see this, we have a spike that happened at this particular area. You see, you need to take some risk for you to make a lot in the profit in trading. So guys, something is going to come up around this particular area. So I'm going to pause this video so that you guys can see what's really happened after this particular spike. So at this region now, I'm going to enter another zone. If we just let me enter just two selling zone. So guys, I'm going to pause this video for you to see what happens next inside this video. Thanks. So guys, you see what happened now. You see now the trade reversed a little bit, and we keep on catching up our profits. So guys, if you're watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when we drop another powerful strategy like this. So guys, you can also like and comment on our video and share us to share more around, and also join our Telegram group for more updates and mentorship plan. Thanks.